In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razer Wolverine V2 Pro to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up your Razer Wolverine V2 Pro and use it on your PC or any other compatible platform. So before you do anything and you try connecting the controller, I highly recommend charging it up. So to do this, just connect the Razer Wolverine V2 Pro to any of the available USB ports on your PlayStation 5 console or a PC. The controller's LED status indicator will breathe in orange when it's charging, and it is going to turn off when it is fully charged. You don't have to fully charge the controller to use it, but like I said, I highly recommend it, especially if you are going for a longer session. So once you know that you have sufficient battery on the controller, you will be able to connect it. So first, if you want to connect it via the wired mode, check the back of the controller and make sure that you set it to wired. Now set the controller mode according to the intended device. So on the right side, there will be a switch that changes it between PlayStation 5 or PC. So if you are going to be connecting it to the PC, make sure that it is set down towards PC. Once this is done, just plug the controller into the PC port using the USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. So one end of the cable is going to go into the controller, the USB-C, and then the other one is going to go into the computer, so the USB Type-A. And then you will be good to go. The controller, as long as it has sufficient battery, will be detected and you will be able to use it. Now, via the wireless mode, once again, make sure that the toggle is set to wireless instead of wired and set the controller mode to PC. And now just connect the USB Type-A receiver dongle into any of the available USB ports. Once the dongle is connected, press and hold the button on the controller, so the PlayStation button. The controller will automatically connect to the USB Type-A wireless dongle and you will be able to use it on your PC. When you open any game and you go over to these settings, it should be detected and you will be able to change the buttons, customize it, and if you are playing something through Steam, you can use Steam input to individually map every single button available on the controller. And as long as you are either using a cable or you set it to wireless and you have sufficient battery and you connect it to the receiver or the dongle, you will be good to go to use it. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer Wolverine V2 Pro to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.